In 1957, Pontiac brought real performance to the streets with a Chieftain Tri Power. The secret was under the hood, a 347 cubic inch V8 equipped with 3 two-barrel carburetors, giving it the name Tri Power. This setup pushed out up to 317 horsepower, making the Chieftain one of the most powerful Pontiacs of its time. And with its sleek chrome details, wide stance, and classic 50s style, it turned just as many heads parked as it did roaring down the highway. The Tri Power wasn't just a car. It was a foundation of Pontiac's growing reputation for speed and excitement, a legacy that would lead to the muscle car era. White right pointing backhand index. Subscribe for more legendary car information.